Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. There are a lot of myths about refurbished phones here in India, and I've seen a lot of my friends advising not to buy a refurbished phone. And our today's video is about that only, where I will show you my experience with a refurbished phone and will discuss things you should know before buying a refurbished phone. So recently we bought a refurbished Apple iPhone SE from Quikr, and it's a Quikr Assured refurbished phone. With Quikr, you get 6 months warranty and 7 days replacement, which is really good. So here is the box of the phone. You can see we got the original box, and inside it we have the phone itself. This phone looks almost like new and there are no major scratches or dents on it. Let's see what else we get in the box. So in the box you also get the charger and the lightning cable. You get the compatible charger and lightning cable, which is fully tested before sending it out. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the phone closely. The iPhone SE which we have here was marked as like new and it was available for Rs 10,499. This is the 16GB variant, and looking at the condition, as mentioned earlier, the phone looks almost like new and there are no major scratches on the phone. This particular device came with a tempered glass attached to it, and when I took it off, there was not even a single scratch on the display. And looking at the back of the phone, as you can see there are few scuff marks which you usually get on the phone with the case. So in terms of condition, it's way better than I expected and it looks almost brand new. And I'm really happy that I got this phone at almost half the price of the new phone. Now let's turn on the phone and see if everything works. Here it is on, and I've set it up already. And I have checked everything and it works pretty good. The camera is working fine and there is no issue with the speaker or the earpiece of this device. Touch ID is also working fine and there is no issue with any of the button on the phone. One thing for which I was little concerned was the battery. So to my surprise, when I checked the battery health, it was at 93%, which is really good. And guys, I have used this phone for few days and I didn't face any issue with this phone. And not even once I realized that it's a refurbished phone. And for regular tasks, this phone is as good as new phone. So overall I'm really happy with this purchase. And guys, if you're looking to buy a new phone and if your budget is less, then do check the refurbished phones from Quikr. These guys check the phone before sending out, and with the 6 months warranty and 7 days replacement, you get peace of mind. Buying a refurbished phone is a new concept in India, and I personally believe that it's much better than buying it from a shop or your friend, where in case anything goes wrong with the phone, you end up losing your money. Biggest issue with the second-hand phones is a duplicate part or no after-sale service. But with Quikr, their trained technicians check the parts and you get good after-sale service. So to sum it up, I highly recommend Quikr Assured refurbished phones, and if you're planning to buy a new phone but doesn't want to spend a lot, then definitely check out them. So that's all in this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.